Hello, friends. In this video, you will learn English phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Put on, meaning to dress oneself in something. Example, sentence. He put on his jacket before going outside. Take off, meaning to remove something, especially clothing. Example, sentence. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Look for, meaning to search for something. Example sentence. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Pick up, meaning to lift something or someone, to collect. Example sentence. She is picking up the trash. Drop off, meaning to take someone or something to a place and leave them it there. Example sentence. Can you drop off these documents at the office? Run out of, meaning to have no more of something. Example, sentence. We've run out of coffee. We need to buy more. Sit down, meaning to take a seat. Example, sentence. Please sit down. The movie is about to start. Give up, meaning to stop trying or surrender. Example sentence. He gave up smoking last year. Hold on, meaning to stop trying or surrender. Example sentence. He gave up smoking last year. Look after, meaning to take care of someone or something. Example sentence. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Look forward to, meaning to anticipate with pleasure. Example sentence. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Pass out, meaning to faint or lose consciousness. Example sentence. He passed out from exhaustion. Put off, meaning to postpone or delay something. Example sentence. They put off the meeting until next week. Show up, meaning to appear or arrive. Example sentence. He showed up late to the office. Take care of, meaning to look after or be responsible for someone or something. Example sentence. She takes care of her younger siblings. Take over, meaning to assume control or responsibility. Example sentence. He takes over a baton in a relay race. Try on, meaning to put on clothing to see if it fits. Example sentence. She tried on several dresses before choosing one. Turn up, meaning to increase the volume or to appear unexpectedly. Example sentence. Can you turn up the music? Use up, meaning to consume all of something. Example sentence. We used up all the flour baking cookies. Watch out, meaning to be careful or vigilant. Example sentence. Watch out for the wet floor. Break down, meaning to stop functioning, for example, a machine or vehicle. Example sentence. My car broke down on the way to work. Check in, meaning to register on arrival at a hotel or airport. Example sentence. We need to check in at the hotel before dinner. Check out, meaning to leave a hotel after settling one's bill. Example sentence. We checked out of the hotel early to catch our flight. Count on, meaning to rely or depend on someone or something. Example sentence. You can count on me to help with the project. Drop by, meaning to visit someone informally and without an appointment. Example sentence. Feel free to drop by anytime. My door is always open. Figure out, meaning to visit someone informally and without an appointment. Example sentence. I finally figured out how to use this new software. Go over, meaning to review or examine something carefully. Example sentence. Let's go over the details of the project one more time. Hold up, meaning to delay or hinder. Example sentence. Traffic held us up, so we arrived late. Look out, meaning to be watchful or careful. Example sentence, look out, there's a car coming. Make up for, meaning to be watchful or careful. Example sentence, she worked extra hours to make up for her absence. Run into, meaning to meet unexpectedly. Example sentence, I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. Set up, meaning to arrange or prepare something. Example sentence, they set up the conference room for the meeting. Take out, meaning to remove something from a place. Example sentence, she took out her wallet to pay for the groceries. Turn around, meaning to change direction or reverse a situation. Example sentence, the company's fortunes turned around after hiring a new CEO. Work out, meaning to exercise or to solve a problem. Example sentence, she works out at the gym 3 times a week. Break up, meaning to end a relationship. Example sentence, they broke up after dating for 2 years. Call back, meaning to return a phone call. Example sentence, I missed her call, so I need to call her back. Carry on, meaning to continue doing something. Example sentence, despite the setback, she carried on with her studies. Come across, meaning to find or meet by chance. Example sentence, I came across an interesting article while browsing online. Fill out, meaning to complete a form with required information. Example sentence, please fill out this application form. Get away, meaning to escape or take a break from everyday life. Example sentence, they decided to get away for the weekend. Look up, meaning to search for information in a book or online. Example sentence, you can look up the meaning of that word in the dictionary. Pass away, meaning to die. Example sentence, her grandfather passed away peacefully in his sleep. Run out, meaning to use up or exhaust the supply of something. Example sentence, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy more. Take off, meaning to leave the ground and start to fly for airplanes. To remove clothing for people. Example sentence, the plane took off on time despite the weather. Work on, meaning to focus effort on improving or completing something. Example sentence, she's working on a new project for school. Get along, meaning to have a friendly relationship. Example, they get along very well despite their differences. Catch up, meaning to reach the same level or standard as someone or something else. Example, I need to catch up on my homework. Fall apart, meaning to break into pieces or fail. Example, the old book fell apart when I picked it up. Give away, meaning to donate or distribute for free. Example, they decided to give away their old clothes to charity. Hang out, meaning to spend time relaxing or socializing. Example, do you want to hang out at the park this weekend? Let down, meaning to disappoint someone. Example, he promised to help but let me down at the last minute. Sort out, meaning to organize or resolve a problem. Example, I need to sort out these shapes. Come up with, meaning to think of a solution, idea, or plan. Example, he came up with a brilliant idea for the project. Keep up with, meaning to stay informed about or to maintain the same level as. Example, it's hard to keep up with all the latest news. Put up with, meaning to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. Example, I can't put up with his behavior anymore. End up, meaning to finally be in a particular place or situation. Example, he ended up working for a big company in New York. Get back, meaning to return to a place. Example, when did you get back from your trip? Turn off, meaning to stop the operation of something, for example, a machine. Example, please turn off the lights when you leave. Fell behind, meaning to not keep up with the progress. Example, he fell behind in his studies after missing a week of school. Blow up, meaning to explode or to get very angry. Example, the bomb could blow up any minute. Take up, meaning to start a new hobby or activity. Example, she decided to take up painting. Fall through, meaning to fail to happen or be completed, plans, arrangements, etc. Example, their vacation plans fell through because of bad weather. Count on, meaning to rely or depend on someone or something. Example, you can count on me to help with the project. Hand out, meaning to distribute or give something to people. Example, the teacher handed out the homework assignments. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.